became crucial in the world of IT and tech support, the CompTIA 6-step troubleshooting process. It might sound just like another set of steps, but it's actually a powerful framework that can make all the difference when tackling complex issues. Step 1. Identify the problem. Imagine walking into a dark room with no idea why the lights won't turn on. That's what troubleshooting without identifying the problem feels like. The first step is crucial because it sets the direction for the entire process. Without knowing what's wrong, you're just shooting in the dark. Step 2. Establish a theory of probable cause. Once we know what we're dealing with, it's time to put on our detective hats and come up with a theory. These steps is like a narrowing down suspects in a mystery. By analyzing symptoms and systems behavior, we can make educated guesses about what might be causing the issue. Step 3. Test the theory to determine the cause. Now it's time to put our theories to the test. This step is where the rubber meets the road. We perform diagnostic tests, make changes, and observe the results. It's all about gathering evidence to support or refute our theories. Step 4. Establish a plan of action to resolve the problem. With a clearer understanding of the problem's root cause, we can develop a plan of action. This step is like mapping out the steps to solve a puzzle. We identify the most effective solution and decide on the best course of action to implement it. Step 5. Implement the solution. Here's where we roll up our sleeves and get to work. We put our plan into action, making necessary changes to fix the problem. This step requires precision and attention to detail to ensure that our solution is implemented correctly. Step 6. Verify full system functionality. Last but not the least, we need to make sure that our solution works. This step is like double-checking your work to make sure you didn't miss anything. We test the system to verify that the problem has been resolved and that everything is working as it should. Conclusion. So, why is the CompTIA 6-step troubleshooting process is so important? Because it provides a structured approach to problem solving that helps us work smarter, not harder. By following these steps, we can efficiently diagnose and resolve issues, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity. It's like having a roadmap to navigate the complex landscape of IT troubleshooting. And in a field where time is money and every minute counts, that's invaluable. That's all. Bye!